and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be making a coaster set from our Sterling mini pattern. This set will complete any dinner party tablescape or bar cart in sleek style. Showcase your favorite textured or printed corks and leathers framed by dramatic metal corners. These sophisticated, classy coasters have been inspired by the popular TV series Mad Men. Embellish the front of each coaster with optional embroidery, applique, or other accents for a unique look. This scrap-friendly project makes the perfect gift and will elevate the look of any space. Be sure to purchase the pattern before taking this class. The pattern and your supplies can be purchased from our website or request them at your local quilt shop. So grab your supplies and I'll show you step by step how easy and fun these coasters are to make. First, start by gathering your supplies. You'll need a piece of main fabric. We'll be leaving most of this project raw edge, so some types of fabric you could use are cork fabric, faux leather, craft tex, or any other fabric that doesn't fray. You'll also need some heavy stabilizer such as Bosal craft tex, and cut out those pieces according to the pattern. Also, you'll find a helpful list of notions in the pattern. You'll need a spool of sulky 40-weight poly deco thread, wonder clips, double-sided basting tape, a removable pen or chalk, a Teflon foot, and optional metal bag corners. These are fun and easy to add for a sophisticated look. If you're adding metal corners, you'll also need a scrap of batting or foam and a pair of pliers. I'm using needle nose pliers because that's what I have on hand, but duckbill pliers would be best for this project. If you wanted to make this a no-sew project, you'll need your trusty hot glue gun. Cut out your pieces according to the pattern. Now is the time to embellish your coasters if you'd like. Choose to add embroidery, applique, or other embellishments. Try to choose embellishments that have a low profile, meaning that they are flat, so your beverage will not tip over once you're using your coasters. Follow the instructions to measure in from each corner of each top coaster piece. Then draw a diagonal line between each of the two marks at each corner. You'll cut along those diagonal lines. Here is what your coaster top pieces should look like after cutting the corners. Set the top pieces aside and apply double-sided basting tape to each of your stabilizer pieces in the center area. Next, with the sticky side down, center one stabilizer piece over the wrong side of each top coaster piece. Apply basting tape to all four outer edges of the stabilizer. One tip to make it easier to remove the paper is to use a pin to score the center of each basting tape. Then fold your project and peel the paper off at the score mark. Next, with wrong sides together, tightly fold each of the outer edges of the coaster top towards the center, pressing each edge down to adhere it to the tape. Now, with wrong sides together, center the coaster bottom over the stabilizer and folded edges. Use sewing clips to hold it in place. From the right side, top stitch according to the pattern from all four sides of each coaster. After top stitching, you can leave your coasters as is or add the optional bag corners. This hardware is very simple to install. It comes in 6 metal finishes including nickel, gold, antique, gunmetal, rose gold, and iridescent rainbow. I recommend filling the inner channel of the hardware with a permanent glue, then simply slide the hardware onto a corner. Cover the hardware with a scrap of batting or foam, then gently squeeze with the pliers to clamp the hardware tight to your project. Adjust your batting to clamp down the other side and repeat the same process to attach the remaining corners. I'm obsessed with how these metal bag corners make this coaster look so dramatic. And that's it, your project is complete. We cannot wait to see how you style your Sterling coasters. Share photos of your completed project using hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sterling coasters. We'd love to see your version of this luxury coaster pattern. If you enjoyed this mini pattern, we invite you to join our monthly club for only $5 a month and receive a new mini pattern to your mailbox or inbox every month. These mini patterns are designed for all skill levels and they are intended to be a quick sew project. Most patterns include a free video tutorial on our YouTube channel like this one. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future tutorials. Also, stick around for some more inspiration. We'll see you next time.